must celebrate our life. And to all our friends in Vancouver who did the Lapu-Lapu Festival, and it's very tragic, I think it is the right time to pay tribute and give everyone a round of applause. That's one way of celebrating our life, their life. And speaking about life, you know, I've seen a lot of moms here. Bakit hindi kayo mga ina? Yes! To all our moms here, you know, I have very deep love para sa mga mommies. Because as you can see, when I did my competition, I always talk about my mom.
Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. Ang ating panunuorin sa videong ito ay itong part 2 ng concert ni Sofronio. Dahil nakakuha po tayo ng video doon sa social media account dito sa Facebook. At credit po pala itong mga videong ito kay Ma'am Angelica Cruz. So ating pag-uusapan itong kanyang concert dito sa Calgary, Canada. As I promised na magre-research po tayo kung saan tayo makakuha ng live video dito sa event ni Sofronio Vasquez sa Calgary, Canada. And fortunately is meron ngang nag-live dito sa kanyang social media account ni Ma'am Angela na kung saan is tumagal ng 2 hours yung kanyang pagla-live doon. So credit po sa kanyang video na ating gagamitin sa vlog na ito. And mga kapolitika, doon po pala sa nagsabi, may naghingi kasi ng link. So ipopost lamang po natin sa comment section kasi nakalimutan kong ipost yung kabuuan ng recording ni Ma'am Angelica dito sa kanyang social media account kasi tinitrim po natin yung yung mga videos at kinukuha natin yung mga portion na may copyright. So yun po mga kapolitika, kung kaya matagal po tayong nakapost mula nung nag-concert si Sofronio kanina dahil matagal po yung editing at kinukuha natin yung portion na may copyright. Pero kung gusto nyong mapanood yung kabuuan, yung 2 hours na video, is ipopost ko po sa comment section. So panoorin or i-click nyo na lang dahil nakapin naman po yan. So itong ating panonoorin ay shorter version na po ito ng live event ni Sofronio dahil yung ibang mga kanta is may copyright. So kinuha lamang po natin yung mga walang copyright na portion doon sa mga inawit ni Sofronio Vasquez sa Calgary, Canada. Dahil sa mga sunod na araw is nasa Vancouver na naman po si Sofronio. So patuloy po tayong mag-cover or magbibigay ng update from time to time dito sa ating YouTube channel. So natuwa po ang mga audience dito sa performance ni Sofronio or sa kanyang concert sa Calgary dahil medyo bagay yung kanyang isinuot mga kapolitika dahil meron ngang nag-suggest doon sa ating mga naunang video na sana is mag-jacket, medyo jacket yung susuotin ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa kanyang concert. But overall is maganda naman po yung production kahit simple lang yung venue niya dito sa Calgary, Canada. At least ito ay stepping stone ni Sofronio para makipag-meet and greet na rin po sa kanyang mga supporters dito sa Canada na nagsusupport sa kanya all the way from the very start talaga ng kanyang journey, even dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan at hanggang dito sa The Voice USA. So this is just ay patikim pa lang ng mga susunod na mga gawin or mga project ni Sofronio in the future. At marami sa mga netizen ang natuwa nga doon sa ating mga naunang video na humanga dito kay Sofronio Vasquez. So maganda yung performance si Sofronio dito sa Calgary, Canada at wala na po tayong masabi dahil lagi naman nating napapanood itong si Sofronio dito sa mga video na ating pinopost sa ating social media account. So natuwa dahil ngayon talaga ay mahirap kumuha kung saan ba mapapanood si Sofronio sa kanyang mga live event. So buti na lang is nakita po natin ang itong nag-live dito sa kanyang Facebook account na si Ma'am Angelica. So narito ang ilan sa mga comment ng ating netizen.
I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will know every word I say on this day. On this day, for this moment of my life, so the next life, if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand. Always look at me this way. On this day. Mr. David Torrance. But on this day, the most important person is coming back.
That's right. Let's welcome back the wonderful musical promise of the future.
Promise of the future. I
I'll tell
like
you
that.
something. Soprano, come on out, please, sir.
Soprano!
Yeah. My friend.
Thank you so much. Wow.
You're very welcome. You deserve everything that's going right for you now. And this is go.
I appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. David Pomerantz and Miss Joey Albert.
Alam kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kahirap abutin. Dahil sa iyo, namunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan, kahit man lamang sa isang awitin. Parang kailan lang halos ako ay mapalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa iyo,
Not too much, not too much.
Iyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko kayo ay handugan. If you know the song, sing with me. Ha! Tatanda at ilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awit iiwanan sa iyo. ako'y hanapin. Akala ko ang mundo na ay akin, ngunit hindi pala ganyan. Kay bilis makalimutan na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ano yung isang masakit, katumas ay mapamahal. Pag-ibig mo ay aking nangangin, kahit buhay ko'y handang isugal. Ang bibig ko'y aking aamuin, habang ako'y iyong kakailanganin. At kung ako'y iyong saktan, ito may gagawing dahilan, pagkat minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ang ako'y hahanap-hanapin sa entablado, minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako'y malimutan kahit sa awit, kung man lamang iyong sana matandaan, bago tuluyang lumisan, na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ang likha ko'y hahanap-hanapin sa entabladong minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako'y malimutan kahit sa awit, kung man lamang iyong sana mamatay, bago tuluyang lumisan, na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ikaw sana mamatay, bago tuluyang lumisan, na minsan ang minahal ako. Tatandaan at lilipas din tayo, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa'yo. Alaala, dahil minsan tayo'y
Thank you so much. So if you're wondering why I did that song, those two songs are paying tribute to our icons in the Philippines who just passed away. It's Miss Nora Honor and Miss Pilita Morales. So, you know, in life, our life is just fleeting. So we are very uncertain kung kailan tayo kukunin, when is our last day. So every day, we must celebrate our life. And to all our friends in Vancouver who did the Lapu-Lapu Festival, and it's very tragic, I think it is the right time to pay tribute and give everyone a round of applause. That's one way of celebrating our life, their life. And speaking about life, you know, I've seen a lot of moms here. Bakit hindi kayo mga ina? Yes! To all our moms here, you know, I have very deep love para sa mga mommies. Because as you can see, when I did my competition, I always talk about my mom. Ito naman, pinapaiyak mo man ako. I really love my mom, you know. There can only be one. At kapag mawala na sila, wala na. Tama? So, I have mad respect sa lahat po ng mga mommies. Kasi kami, we can do our life in the future. Marami kami pwedeng gawin. We can do everything that we can in our power. But without mothers who carried 9 months. It's not easy. Tama? It's not easy. All of the hormonal changes, the tantrums, you know, paglilihi. And sometimes us kids, parang tinatakwil natin yung idea, and sometimes sumasagot tayo. I think it's human nature to just say our thoughts. But if I can only have one moment in my life that I can always be proud, I never answered my mom because I love her so much. This next song is tribute to all mothers. Palakpakan naman yung mga mommies na. And if you know the song, please do it with me.
Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want, oh baby, I'll do it naturally. 'Cause I'm everyone, it's all in me. Into the corners of my mind, I'll always be there for you. The good and the bad times, but I'll be that superwoman. If you're talking about me, I keep my love and lasting love. Are you ready for more? Looking out on a morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. When I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it made me so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so kind. You're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you make me feel, 'cause you make me feel, 'cause you make me feel like all is true. That's our tribute to all our moms and our future moms. I noticed Calgary people are very focused in music, you know? Now this time, I think it is the right time to make everyone sing. So, kapag bumaba ako dyan, at itapat ko yung mic, huwag kayong mahiya. Don't be shy. Sing your heart out. Are we ready, Calgary? I think I need more. Are we ready, Calgary? I think we are ready. Let's go! Can we stand up? Thank you. All right. Stretch on. Let's go. When the night is gone and the land is on and the moon is the only light we see. Let's go, mommy. Don't be afraid. I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Come on. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Are you ready? Stand by me. The sky will look apart. Should someone fall and the mountains crumble to the sea? Let's go. I'll cry, I'll cry, I'll shed a tear, just as long as you stand. Are we ready? Stand by me. So darling, let's go. Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by. Stand by me. All right. Who's out with the representative? Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by. Stand by me. Punta tayo sa likod. Sino kayo ready? Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Hello, mommy. Stand by me. Lord. Stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Thank you so much. Sino kaya yun? Kamusta po kayo? Yes! Mga Bisaya! Oh, stand by me. Sino kaya pwede stand by me? Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Balik sabay-sabay tayo na. Stand by me. Thank you po. Stand by me. Sabay-sabay, let's go. Come on. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Salamat po. Grabe, gagaling yung kumanta ha. Pero hindi ko kayo narinig lahat. One more time, let's go. So darling, darling. Oh, stand down, stand by me, stand by me. Yes! Dahil magaling kumanta dito ah. You want more? Well, nabati na kayo umupo ah. No seating, no seating, no cheating. Are you ready for next song? Magkikikanta kayo sa akin ha. Nako mga mami, mukhang biglang po. Are you ready? Let's go! I know everyone knows this song. Let's go! Let's go! Uy, ano yan? Gusto niyo bang sumayaw? Diba gusto nilang sumayaw? Pag kayo, ha? Sige, baba ako. akala ko, I really was thinking that you are not enjoying, but you are just saving your energy for this moment. But one struck my energy, sabi nung mami ko, ang pogi mo pala sa personal. Ang pangit ko ba sa TV? No, but I really love and appreciate everyone, you know. I want to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors. Thank you to our producers, Sky Beverly Hills, Primetime Events, Paduk Entertainment, EJP Productions, and our sponsors here in Calgary, David Palmer, so David Palmer's, Joey Albert, Jeffrey Ocampo. Yeah, I think mamaya na to silang lahat kasi gusto kong meron silang specific spot. Now, I think you've all been waiting for this song. And before I sing this winning song, I want you to watch this video.
Alright, video one. Come in. Spotlight off.
Dear music, as I grew up, you have been an integral part of my family's daily life. I always knew it was the weekend because my father would sing in the morning. You were the reason I woke up so happy to go to church on Sundays. You always brought me so much joy. He is a sensational young talent. I just love that I get to get on live. I composed a performing last year sa Pinas, Mindanao, Philippines. Here in the Philippines, our lives is screaming, music. Every house has its own karaoke thing, so singing is the first thing that I can remember. I really want to be someone who can be of help for my family back there. I am super excited to just be on stage, singing in front of these iconic people who I just watched on TV for the longest time.
Close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting for me. Let it call my through the dark, through the door, through my always felt before. When it feels out. Teka lang. May narinig ako kumakanta. Ba't parang sinusundo ako? Sino to? Sino to? Ba't parang sinusundo ako? What's this? Sinasabotahin niyo ako, ha? Dito. Parang may umiiyak, sabi ko, sinusundo na ba ako? Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce myself. Sobrano Vasquez! through the dark, through the dawn, through when no one's been before. My veins now home. All the dreams are keeping me away. Think of all the world could be, but all what I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. All the dreams for what we're gonna make. Maraming salamat, Calgary. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Thank you so much. You guys want more, huh? Are you enjoying the night? Maraming salamat. I want to thank everyone for spending your Friday night with me. I know marami tayong pwedeng gawin. We have so much to do in our lives. But you decided to spend your night and celebrate music, love, and family. And we are here. For the last time. Last day. Last chance for love. Yeah, it's my last chance for romance tonight. By me, beside me, to guide, to hold me, just call me, 'cause when I'm there, I'm so, I'm so, I'm so, I'm so, I'm so bad. Are you ready? So let's dance, come on, let's dance, come on, let's dance, you know, let's dance, let's dance, tonight. Let's dance, oh, hey, yeah, it's my last chance, romance tonight. DJ on vocals. Of course, my musical director for tonight, Cesar. Maraming salamat sa aking technical team. Direct Page, thank you so much. Sky River Reviews, Prime Time Events. Maraming salamat. I will bring in our full Friday honor on stage. Two icons tonight. Showing our
the one and only, the voice of Van